They're such good hunters that no creature in the ocean wants to mess with them, not even sharks. And the number of sharks in the ocean isn't the only problem when it comes to finding the biggest shark. The fact is, sharks aren't all that easy to measure. Think about it.
Instead, giant marine reptiles have evolved, perfectly adapted to life in these beautiful waters. All of them are air breathers, like this 8-ton Cryptoclydus. On the land, they are cumbersome hulks. But in the water,
This savage beating may be to separate hide from flesh. But very often, the successful hunter takes its victim straight out to sea.